Trying again my very first video on how to get 1000 subscribers on YouTube in just 24 hours, with a proof. So, I have just made a video tutorial before, on how to get 1000 of subscribers in just 24 hours by the use of a tool, and it has now 2.8 million of views. Well, that video was already 2 years ago, and I have never tried to use that again since then. And now, a lot of people saying,
I don't trust this app. There is no way you got 7 subs in 1 second. Even if I was thinking that somehow, maybe the bot subbed to you.
WTH, you're sub 7 before, and after, you're sub 30K.
Fake.
Mine will finally have 1K subs, thank you so much.
I tried this on one of my outs, and it actually worked surprisingly. I don't know how, lol.
This is hard, but worth it.
Scam, it's a virus, don't use this.
for now, since I have never tried this tools for 2 years, I have decided to give another try for us to see if it is still working, and if it will really gives me a 1000 subscribers in just 24 hours, or it will just give my device a virus. Let's find out. First, I need to get and install the app I'm going to use to get subscribers. Next, we need a new channel with 0 subscribers and 0 videos for us to see the real results, if this app will really works or not. Let's find out. Since we don't have any coins on the app yet, we need to earn first. You can also buy coins with real money, but for me, I'll just earn it manually. And by the way, this coin will be used to create a campaign to promote your channel. This app give you not just subscribers, but it can also gives you watch hours, views, likes and comments. So for us to earn coin for free, we need to subscribe to others' channel, which it can give us coins per subscribe. The auto sub feature now is not working anymore for free version, but if you check our past video about this app, you can use auto sub feature for free.
For subscribing to earn coins fast. And by the way, you can subscribe manually or automatically. Of course, I'm going to use auto sub feature, so that I can leave it while I'm watching movies.
Maybe, because they already updated the app. But don't worry, we can still earn coins manually for free. For us to earn fast, click the 3 dots and select coins to descending. This will show us the channels that will give us more coins so that we can earn faster. And of course, to subscribe to others' channel, we need to log in our YouTube channels to subscribe. You can use any channel you want just for subscribing. And that's how you earn coins for free. After earning coins, I'm now going to create a campaign and let's find out if we can get subscribers for free by just using this app. And now, time to create a campaign. If you want to get views or watch hours, just go to Views tab, then click plus sign to create a campaign. And to get subscribers, go to Subscriber tab and do the same as if you want to get likes and comments. But for now, I want to get subscribers, so I will go to Subscriber tab and create a campaign. Cost per sub is how much coin they will get when they subscribes to your channel, so if you have a higher cost per sub, then you will get subscribers faster. Now, time to try this on my new channel with 0 subscribers and 0 videos if it will really works. As you see, this channel has no videos and subscribers. Let's begin the campaign and wait for a few minutes, to see if it will really give my new channel a subscribers. In just 9 minutes, we got 3 people who subscribes using the app. And now let's also check our new channel if it will really gives me subscribers too, and for us to find out if this app is still working or it's just a fake app that give us virus. As you see, this app still works on getting subscribers. Take note, this video is just an experiment, do this at your own risk. Thanks for watching.